right way to do oral sex. Is there a right way? The first one is don't brush your teeth, because when you brush your teeth, you may create a micro tears, and that is a gateway of sexually transmitted infection, meaning you pass STI to them, they pass STI to you. You definitely do not want that. If you are concerned about oral hygiene, you can use mouthwash instead. Mouthwash can kill the bacteria in your mouth, and actually is a better way when it comes to reducing bad breath. Which brings me to the second point. I know of many people, they are really against morning sex because they think of bad breath. But in reality, if you are giving your partner oral sex, you are down there. So how is that going to affect the experience of your partner? So don't worry about your bad breath when it comes to giving oral sex. I'm not talking about kissing, of course, I'm talking about oral sex. Number 3, a lot of people that I know of, when they're giving oral sex, they're giving a blowjob, they are afraid of hurting their partner. So they may not be playing with the pressure and the rhythm. So it's important when you're giving the most basic oral sex technique, which is just going up and down the shaft of the penis, that you do some suction. Because without the suction, there is really not so much pressure and friction. And so your partner is probably not going to feel as much as you think. So instead of like working so hard and like them not feeling much, so it's important to have some suction, incorporate some suction and pressure, and of course ask for feedback.
Teens and adolescents often feel that oral sex is safer than anal sex because it will prevent a pregnancy. However, they should also be aware that it is a way of sexually transmitted infection too. Now, oral sex can be avoided in certain situations. 1, if you or your partner have any kind of ulcers in the genitals or in the mouth. 2, if any of you has recent genital or mouth piercings. 3, if you are unsure of your partner's sexual history. 4, if your partner has a known STI. 5, if the woman is in her periods. 6, if you have a throat infection. Again, the best way to prevent an STI through oral sex is by using a barrier method, either a condom on the man or a dam on a woman. Also remember, an STI can be completely treated if detected early. So if you have any symptoms or you're anxious about it or you're unsure about it, please contact your doctor ASAP.